Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write Sony. Now search. And you should install this application, Sony Music Center. Now open it. If you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need, click Do Not Allow. Then select your region and click that you read it. Next, agree, okay, allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!